Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two powerhouse graphics cards, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but they come with different specifications and price points. Let's explore what each card has to offer and see which one stands out in terms of performance, memory, and value for money. The PowerColor Fighter RX 7800 XT utilizes AMD's Radeon 3 architecture, which is known for its efficiency and performance in gaming. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5070 is built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, which is designed to deliver exceptional performance, especially in ray tracing and AI tasks. Each architecture has its strengths, catering to different gaming preferences and requirements. When it comes to memory, the PowerColor RX 7800 XT boasts a substantial 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it a great choice for high-resolution gaming and multitasking. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5070 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, which, while slightly less, still offers excellent performance for most gaming scenarios. The larger memory of the RX 7800 XT can provide an advantage in memory-intensive applications. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The PowerColor Fighter RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, offering excellent value for its performance. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5070 is priced at $639, reflecting its premium features and advanced architecture. Depending on your budget and performance needs, the RX 7800 XT presents a more affordable option without compromising on quality. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Fighter RX 7800 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 are formidable contenders in the graphics card market. The RX 7800 XT offers a larger memory capacity and a more attractive price point, while the RTX 5070 excels in advanced features and performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.